Hello, my beautiful and wonderful people out there. Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Shri. Today it is skincare. This mask is my own DIY mask. This really works well. It is an anti-tan mask for the summer. Without taking much of your time, I just don't want to talk anything about this mask. I'll just show you how to apply, what are all the products I have used. Before proceeding further, I just request you only one thing, especially you're watching my videos but you're not subscribing, so please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends and family if at all it's worth sharing.
Take half a teaspoon of orange peel powder and half a teaspoon of oats powder and just 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder and some fresh orange juice. I have just squeezed some orange juice from the orange. Now I'm going to add my favorite thing, that is gulab jal or rose water, few drops. Mix well. We can just add some more orange juice or some more rose water to make the perfect consistency. So our DIY anti-tan mask is ready to be applied on face. I have washed my face with some mild cleanser and then applied all over my face and neck. Let's keep this mask for 10 minutes and then we will remove it. I'll show you how to remove this mask. There is another DIY I did. Until it gets dry, I have dipped a cotton in rose water and some coffee powder mixture, and I just applied on my eyes and relaxed. It was so relaxing and soothing. It's 10 minutes, just got dried up, and we have to remove this with a cotton towel dipped in a cold water. I have taken some chilled water and then added normal water to it. Just dip a cotton or turkey towel, small turkey towel, and then remove it off. See, you can even wash it off, but still I just don't want to waste a lot of water because you'll end up using lot of water to remove this pack. I just don't want to do it, so that's why I have used this method to remove all the mask from my face. As I already said, I don't have a very clear and perfect skin, but with these kind of DIYs, I managed to keep it healthy. Otherwise, I have very acne prone and damaged skin. So like this, I have taken off all the mask from my face, but still some small grains will be there. So I'll wash it off with some water. Let me tell you, I really love the after effect of this mask. Actually, this mask is suitable for all skin types. If at all you have dry skin and if you feel your skin is getting too dry after this pack, you can add some raw milk to the pack. I just applied some rose water after washing. No cream, no makeup, just kajal and some lip gloss. It was very good. My skin felt very fresh. I'm gonna try this mask on and off in the summer.
How's the mask? Liked it? you might find it a little difficult to make this orange peel powder. You might say we don't get sunlight in our flat. How can we dry orange peel and get this powder? See, I'm going to make one more batch of orange peel powder. That bottle one was last year's powder. I'm just going to make some fresh orange peel powder. This is very easy to make. Even if you don't have sunlight, you can dry this peel in the room temperature itself for 2 to 3 days, max 4 days. Then you can powder in mixer jar. So it's really very easy. All the ingredients are available in the kitchen. And rose water, I think many of you would be having rose water at home. If at all there is no rose water, that's okay. Orange juice, and then you can mix it with water also. That's absolutely your personal choice. But then if you want good effect, and if you want your skin to be hydrated and moistured, you please try using all the ingredients which I have shown, which I have used. This is it for now. I will come again with something else, maybe some recipe or some other tips. I think this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Bye.